Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Rosemary Joy Pico, 34 years old, single, and I have 3 children, aged 17, 4, and 2 years old. I live at Minante Uno, Cauayan City, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 4th of the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid. I'll do cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and take care of the kids.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check always the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a honest, hardworking, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my family, especially for my children, and also stable financially.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband or my parents.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calm when dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and I'm willing to extend if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing always to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine, to make me happy where skies are gray. You never know me, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, ma'am.
Okay.